Hey guys, my name is Neil and welcome to Neil Workshop Zone. So in this episode we are going to be talking about ranked ads. So in the previous episode we talked about Python modules and stuff regarding that. So if you haven't checked it out, I recommend checking out this video as there are a lot of important topics like scope, etc. that might be useful during your Python projects. So in this video we are going to be talking about a module or a search pattern known as ranked ads. So regex is also known as regular expression, is used to find the sequence in a search pattern. So to put it in simpler words for somebody to understand, basically this module contains a list of sequences or orders which can be used to find out a particular word or a particular variable or a string in a sentence or in a paragraph, etc. So it can be used to search any variable or any string. So that is how regex is used. Now I won't be going too much deep into this topic as there isn't much to talk about it. We might, cover this in practical episodes. But for now, let's talk about the basic types of regex. So first, let's talk about the regex search. So first, let's talk about the keyword search. So to write a simple program to understand how it works, let's just write a simple program. Class Neil. Let's write import RE, which is important because it can be used to import the module. And here we'll write something like text is equals to let's write Neil Workshop Zone. So now let's write RE dot search. And let's write in the brackets. There are actually a lot of things that you need to use like slash, apostrophe, etc. But as is just an example, I won't be using all of that because it can confuse you. So let's write something simple like Neil, comma, and here's what the text is. So you write text as that is from which it has to search the word. So by writing this, I'm writing print ads. And basically writing like that, or writing print text, it will basically search for the keyword Neil and prints it. Now imagine if I gave to search the keyword hi. Now you might be thinking since hi isn't the keyword, it will be not, it won't be printed in this text sentence. And the answer is correct. It actually won't print anything. It will only print a keyword called as none, which basically means that there is, the keyword doesn't exist in this code. So now let's talk about the remaining types of regex. Now let's talk about find all. So let's take the same example but a little bit different. So let's write text is equals to, let's write Spain, grain. Let's write something like brain, Neil, human. Let's write something like hi, hello, and let's write rain. So this is a set of text or set of keywords, and let's just take all the commas for example. Let's just say this is all a sentence. So it's basically Spain, grain, brain, etc. So now imagine you want the words which only contains the letters AIN. Now you can use something known as find all. And as name suggests, find all basically finds all the keywords that contains that that variable or a string. So for example, let's write another one that says import. Let's write import over here, we forgot that. And let's write RE dot find all. And let's write something like AIN, text, and to print the value. So by doing this, it'll basically print Spain, grain, brain, and rain because it all contains AIN. So that is how regex works. Now let's talk about the other type of regex. Now let's talk about sub. So just in this way, let's say, imagine you want to replace every letter that starts with H over here with 9, for example. So let's say, imagine you want to write Spain, grain, brain, Neil, and instead of human you want to write Newman for some reason, or instead of high you want to write Nye, etc. So for doing this, there is another keyword that you can use, which is called as sub. So by using sub, basically you can use it to replace any letter that you can find in this sentence with any of the letter of your choice. So for example, imagine you want to change it with something like 9. Like one of test. There's still some things that we need to apply here, but they're not that important, so I won't talk about it. So by doing this, basically it replaces everything that has letter H in it with the letter or the number 9. So by doing this, basically the output will be the same, but instead of human will come somewhere 9 in, H will be displayed as 9, hello will be displayed as 9, hello, etc. So that is how sub works. It can be used to replace any letter with a letter or a variable or a number of your choice. So now let's talk about split. So imagine you want to print some of these variables or some of these strings, but you don't want them side by side, you want to split them. So they need to be Spain, grain, brain. So they need to be like separate words. So now you can use something called as re.split as name suggests. So you can say split and you can write grain, brain and Neil. Let's write some words. Let's just say grain, brain and Neil. So by printing it, basically it will display grain, brain and Neil, but instead of displaying them side by side, it will print something like grain, brain, Neil. So we'll print them with a really far distance. So that is how regex works. There's still some more things that we need to learn about this, but it's not that important, so we'll see about it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos. And that's all folks, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.